Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply a study visa to Iceland. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, Iceland is a Schengen country, and when it comes to Schengen area visa, you need to apply accordingly how you are entering and exiting, right? Now, when it comes to apply for a study permit like a long-term visa, you should look at the embassy or application center that is covering your location. Okay. So, for example, if you are in India, I have opened New Delhi immigration website of, I mean to say, embassy website of Iceland in New Delhi. So here they have information, okay, visa to Iceland, where they have given the contact details and phone number, email account, everything. Now they have given multiple things like you have tourism, family, business with a study visa. Okay, this is what we want to see. And they have forms and documents also. Okay, so that we all can go through together. Now, what are the things you need? Travel document must be valid for minimum 3 months after the planned journey. Okay, you have to fill online visa application form here, printed and signed by applicant. Schengen visa application form 2. You have to submit with the application. One passport photograph, one travel medical insurance, 30,000 euros. This we see always in all kind of applications for Schengen countries. Flight reservation, okay. Proof of accommodation. Now for study, later confirming enrollment in a college university, okay. Proof of sufficient funds. This is fine. All right. Now they have given a checklist also for Indian applicants. Let's check that. Same thing here. So guys, we have seen the form, okay. Uh, I mean the checklist. Now I've opened the online link. Here you have to provide your information first, nationality and emails, then travel document details, then application. Some fields are mandatory, but I would suggest whichever you have, put that information. Okay. Journey, if you're going for study, member state, whichever is as per your location. And then you need to provide this information. Then you go to next, some other information, and then you can submit the form, and then you can download it and print and sign as they have said. Okay. Yeah, as you can see. And Schengen visa form that you can get over here. It's basic details again. And this detail, and you don't need to worry about this section. Okay. For official use, occupation details, address, mode of transportation, finance. Okay. Now, if we open VFS site, let's see if they have any additional information for us. Okay. I don't see here study. So probably we can contact and find that out, that how much they need for study, because I don't see that information over here. But yes, they have provided the contact details from where we can go through. But yes, there is a procedure they have given. Let's see what is this. So this just so in this way it can be applied. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.